lovely munchkins, and welcome in my new video, which is, as you can see again, unboxing. And I will do this video as fast as I can because of course I'm not going to show you every single thing which I ordered in a previews, because we will be here for pretty long time, and I will just do a quick update of my new Slender plans which are up to me to use. As a traditional thing which you receive are books and shakers. These are things which you always receive. In these two Slender plans, I actually made choice to have in every single one of them twice this chocolate chip bars as always, and as I like to say, I will marry these bars if I can, and I do have 4 packages of them, so it's 40 in total. Then as a Slender smoothies, Slender blends, shakes, however you want to call them, I currently ordered strawberry and a chocolate as my traditional flavor, because chocolate is something what I'm ordering every single time. These two are just my must-have, but I actually made choice to order 2 flavors which I never had, which is salted caramel and peanut butter. I do love a caramel and peanut butter, so I hope they will be actually good as a Slender blend. I hope for that. If not, definitely gonna say that in my videos. Then as morning breakfast, I ordered porridge and I ordered Slender pancakes, which actually finally came in actually 2 different packages. Normally I always receive 10 of these, and I ordered basically 3 of these as a breakfast, because in one of my breakfasts I ordered once porridge and Slender pancakes, and then in a second I ordered twice 2 options, just Slender pancakes. And in one Slender plan I received Slender pancakes, 10 sachets of this, and then in another I received this as a Slender pancake. So it's actually pretty funny, to be honest, because I was just like, oh, wait a minute, why do I have so many of these? Because you're receiving 1 each in your Slender plan as an extra. So that was actually funny. And talking about extras, in previous orders I always received the tea, but currently you're receiving multivitamins, and I never had them before, so we will see what they will do. Then extras which I ordered outside of Slender plans are brownie mix, muffin mix, and the cookie mix, and I ordered 3 of them each because they're going to my 2 different friends which really wanted them, and we are always ordering together, so whatever. So I don't have, problem with ordering multiple things. Then as something what I actually did mention on my Instagram on my IGTV, which will be linked down below. Protein World messed up my order again. If you do know, if you don't, you can order boosters for you in your Slender plans, and always you have two options, and I think 4 different choices which you can make. And I'm always ordering Fat Metabolisers, which looks like this. But for some reason they sent me Hunger Buster, and I do have it in my receipt, in my invoice, however you want to call it. There is supposed to be 4 Fat Metabolisers, but for some reason I received Hunger Buster, and on my IGTV, where I'm always doing unboxings of sealed packages, never opened before, it's like freshly virgin opening of my boxes every single time. Everyone can see that there is just like uncut thing, there is like no cuts, no anything on my unboxings. I can't fake it in anyhow. I would just like it. I received this for some reason, and on the paper, I even showed the paper, there is stick, it was supposed to be there, it wasn't, so currently I'm talking with them about this, and I will probably write somewhere here if it was like how it ended our talking about this. Then one of the last things actually in the box, I said it will be quick video, is this perfect for faster cardio. I'm not so sure what it is, but my friend will definitely tell me what it is. You will see that in the down below. And this is, as I actually read that on a page, it is supposed to, like, you're supposed to drink it before you will start do exercise, kind of. It's different, like, with your Slender blends, because you are supposed to drink after your post-workout. It's even like here you have written that on the other side that have a Slender blend within 30 minutes after your workout, and this is something what you are supposed to do before your workout, and it would like fast your metabolism or something. I'm not sure, probably. Like, correct me if I'm wrong down in the comments, but that's how I put that inside of my head, that this is supposed to be like this. And it's a flavor of iced peach tea. So yeah, you are supposed to add it to your water, and it's very funny because here in a other side, basically, you have here even that take 10 grams, 1 scoop with 250 milliliters of water, consume 1 or 3 servings daily. Try adding to shakes and smoothies. Like, if, like, this is something what after when I read this, I was just like, well, but you wasn't you supposed to like drink it before you will start, like, go do your workout or something? So really, I don't know what this is supposed to be, but definitely in the description will be like everything about that, and there will be a link to this special product. And I'm sorry that I didn't actually like search what the heck this is supposed to be, but to be honest, it's not mine, so I'm not supposed to be like in concern or anything, but you know, I wanted to show you that they do have even something like this, and I don't know for what that is, so I will just seriously ask my friend or anything and look up on their page. And the absolute last thing, which I actually didn't show you in my previous post, but is this syrup, which is currently out of stock. I hope they will restock it very, very soon. And it's the Slender Syrup. It's maple. It's a maple flavor, and I absolutely love it. And this is something what, as a second thing, I will marry if I can, because it's amazing. It's guilty-free for me, absolutely. And I love add this on my vanilla porridge or on my pancakes. I just love it, absolutely. And this, guys, is end of the video. If you do consume protein roll, write me down in the comments below. I will love to hear your weight loss stories if you do have some. Of course, write me there if you do like this type of food, or if you don't. If you don't, why? I wanna hear your opinions about these kind of things, because I knew lots of people don't like it, some people do like it and eat these things, but you know, everyone has different opinions about this kind of thing. So down in the comments is your choice and is your way to express yourself, and we will see each other in my next video. So bye, Munchkins.